In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel a sale on PagSeguro using the link. It's a very simple process, so follow along and you'll learn it quickly. To cancel or refund a purchase on PagSeguro, you can use either the app or the website. I'll demonstrate using the app, but the steps are the same on the website. After logging into your account, open the sales menu and go to Manage Sales. There you'll find the option to view all your sales and payments. Select it to see how much you've sold in recent days and weeks. In the example, I'll open what I will receive. From this point, you'll need to filter your results to find the exact sale you want to cancel. At the bottom of the screen, use the Sales by Payment Method menu. You'll see payment methods like debit card and credit card. Choose the payment type associated with the sale you want to cancel and use the filters to locate it. Then look for the View All option. When you see categories such as upcoming sales, advanced sales, or completed sales, select the correct one again until you reach the sale details. Inside the sale details, scroll all the way down. The longest part of the process is simply navigating through the menus to find the specific sale. Once you locate it, tap Cancel Sale. The cancellation may take up to 15 minutes to be processed.